Welcome to the integrations training video. So what we're going to show you here is how to integrate an autoresponder service. What you can do is you'll access it through the integrations tab over here on the left. It's very simple to set up. You simply add a new connection and select from any of the services that we currently integrate with. For instance, we can pick Campaign Monitor. And what you'll do is enter in your name that you'd like to give this particular service. For this one, I'm going to just call it CM. We'll add the connection. Now, there's two types of integrations. Some autoresponders allow you to just simply connect. And what happens when you hit connect is it will basically ask the application, the Campaign Monitor application, for access. So you'll just simply hit connect and then go ahead and approve that access and you'll be connected. Now, the other type that we have is some services like GetResponse actually ask you for an API key. You can grab that from your admin area of GetResponse. You can give it a name, add that API key, and then simply add the connection. Now, at that point, you'll be able to see this is a GetResponse integration here. You can edit that information or simply remove that connection. So what it'll allow you to do is actually create multiple connections to the same service, okay? And there's reasons that you may want to do that. For instance, you may have two separate lists that you would like to use GetResponse for. One campaign sending to one list and another campaign sending to another list, to a different list. So you can have those multiple connections. Now let me show you just quickly how we go ahead and where you would enter that. So in another module, I will show you exactly how to set up an engagement. So for now, I just wanted to show you a quick example. Any kind of form, if you're going to use a form overlay over your video or the form HTML element, which would basically be on the page. Either way, the settings are the same. But here's where you're going to go ahead and see those lists. So once you have that list, you'll see them populate here, and you can select which one you'd like, and then go ahead and choose the appropriate list. This is where, for every form that you put on, either if you have multiple forms in one engagement or just, a form in different engagements, you can still select the connection and apply it to a different list. So we also offer the raw HTML input where you'll then map your fields. We allow the first name, the last name, and the email address. Email address is by default. All autoresponders require that, so you cannot turn it off. But you can turn off last name, first name. You can make them required or not, and then give it a label as well. So for this, when you copy and paste the code that your autoresponder service gives you, you just copy it and paste it right into here, and then simply do the mapping. Now we caution to use this at your own risk because it is code that is provided by a third party. So if you manipulate that code, you have a chance of having something not set up right. So we always suggest that you have the actual integration set up with that. And that covers integrations.